Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay, so everyone knows by now that Mielle is no longer black owned. We don't know if they're going to change the formula. You guys haven't seen me advertise this oil on my page at all because I make my own DIY products, so I don't go to the store and necessarily buy a lot of shelf products. But you guys, I'm going to show you how to make a dupe version of this Mielle's Rosemary Mint Scalp Strengthening Oil. So what you're going to need is spearmint oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. You do not need all of these oils. The most important, I feel, is the eucalyptus and the peppermint oil. The carrier oil of my choice is going to be sweet almond oil. And to make the oil a little thicker, I'm going to use castor oil. You can use any type of carrier oils you like, but these are the two that I chose to use today. You're also going to need dry rosemary and a glass jar. When I'm going to let oils sit and infuse with herbs, I like to use glass jars. So you can start out with 3 tablespoons of dry rosemary. And then 20 drops of your essential oils. So for the spearmint, peppermint, and eucalyptus, I'm going to add an even amount of drops to the dry rosemary. Okay, so next you're going to use your carrier oil, whichever one you choose. I'm going to be using sweet almond oil. I'm going to add 1.5 cups to about 2 cups of this oil. And then to get my mixture or my oil a little bit more thicker, I'm going to be using castor oil. And then after that, I will be shaking this bottle about every 2 to 3 days. And we're going to let this rest in a dry, dark place. One thing is when you are making infused oil like this, the longer it sits, the better. So I'm going to allow this to sit for about a week or two. And after the week or two, I'm going to put it in an applicator bottle. And you guys, this is a great cheap dupe for the Mielle's Rosemary Mint Oil. And like I said, every couple of days, just shake this and you can make your own oils, you guys. So I really hope you give this a try. And if you do, let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.